ask yourself why you want to school outside the country. Choose a course, decide on the destination, research into the school, look out for funding opportunities. Yes, and the funding opportunities, don't forget to choose a course that is scholarship affiliated. If you do not have a wealthy family, and you don't have any funding coming up, you've not saved enough money to afford to sponsor yourself outside your home country, you need to look out for this funding opportunities. Select a course that is accredited. So right now I think what you need to do is start reading about all these things.
Here since you came in, I could swear that this room has been running out.
Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Selo. If you are here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, okay? And to my returning subscribers, God bless you for always supporting. Today on the Study Abroad series, we are not interviewing anybody. I have made a list of things I would like to talk about to those of us who would want to travel outside to study or who would like to study abroad. I have made some lists and I've titled this things you need to know or things you need to do when you consider studying abroad. Yes, and number one on my list is ask yourself why you want to travel outside for your education. Yes, asking yourself this question will enable you decide on a particular school to choose or the country or the destination you want to study. So ask yourself why you want to travel. Number two thing I'll do is to decide on which country I would like to go. Yes, that is why in the first point I said you must ask yourself why you'd want to study abroad. Yes, so why that reason will enable you decide on which country you'd want to travel to. That's number two. Yes, and this country should be able to suit your study abroad goals. Third on my list, know the course you want to pursue. Now, knowing your course will help you. That's the fourth one, will help you decide on which school you choose. So now come to the choice. You have to do research into the school you want to attend or your study abroad destination, the school of your choice. I want to pursue a course in international development. What will I do? I will look out for, or I'll research into schools that are best or known for this course. Okay, science and technology, whatever. Yes, I'll go out, search, do research, use Google. You know, in the news, this university ranking, QS university ranking, their global ranking, their in-country ranking. You should look out for all those things, and then this will help you. So I've written now research into the universities in the country of your choice. Then you have to consider the ones that offer the program of interest, and finally opt for the best. In doing this, look out for the ranking, like I said, their international reputation, and then the schools that are best known for treating international students very well. Yes, you need to know that before you choose your school. You know the course you want to offer, you have selected your school. What's next? Look out for the academic requirements for this course. Yes, you need to know the requirements. They'll be asking for your academic background. Yes, so you need to know the requirements before whether you qualify to be in this school and in this course. So you have to read the requirements, yes, as provided by the department on the school's website. So you have to do all these things. Yes, and now applying, you need to write a good letter of motivation or statement of purpose. Yes, you need to know all these things. You need to research, go online, check what people are saying about these things, read a lot about the course you want to offer before you decide or before you finally begin the application process. You've got to ask yourself, do I have money to study abroad? Yes. If you don't have money, come, let's go in Ghana, okay? Don't mind me. Okay, so asking yourself this question: if you don't have money to study abroad, what are the opportunities available? Yes, studying abroad isn't easy. You need a lot of funds. If anybody tells you it's cheap, I beg you, it's not affordable like that. So what do you need to do? Look out for funding. If you are someone from a family that is wealthy or that has money to afford to send you outside to study, kudos. But then to some of us who can't afford, we need to look for funding opportunities. That brings us to scholarships. Look out for local scholarships in your country or the university you've decided to apply to. Look out for scholarship schemes that are partnering with this university, and then see if you are eligible to apply for this or you qualify to win one of these scholarships. Scholarship schemes require a lot of things from the applicants. You need to have good academic qualification and so on. So in your country, maybe in Ghana for instance, the local government scholarship is Get Fund, and I don't know if Get Fund is a popular one. So if you qualify to apply for Get Fund, you qualify to apply for those Commonwealth scholarships, Chevening and stuff. You consider those things. Or also so that is why it's important to research into the university you are applying to. That would help you see whether there are funding opportunities in the school if you don't get an external scholarship. Let me give you one crucial advice. If you are looking forward to study very soon or go to school outside the country very soon, you should start researching, start looking out for scholarships, start looking out for the courses that are scholarship accredited. One important thing I forgot to mention is also, if you cannot afford to sponsor yourself, look out for countries that offer tuition-free education to EU and then non-EU students. Germany, for instance, Norway and France, and a lot of the European countries offer tuition-free education to students seeking for further studies. So if you are from a family that is not well-to-do enough and then you want to experience study abroad, why don't you choose a school in one of these countries? It will give you peace of mind. Don't let financial problem or money be a stumbling block to your academic pursuit. So let's do this together. I'm here to pursue my master's. So let's encourage each other. Let's go for it. If it's outside you want to study, let's go for it. You can study for free outside your home country. You just need to research on how to go about it. And all the best to us. See you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.